applet, you giving the permission, like which user can install or which user can access to which modules or which applets. So after you giving the applets, after they install the applets, the one more thing is we call it role. So this role actually is referring to the data access. So catalog, the applets is the access for the modules. Role is access for the data inside the modules. So let's say you only added the user to the catalog and install the applet for them. So means they can click into the applets, but they may not able to see the data. So the listing, like for example, this is the listing, right? Role code, everything. This is the listing, but here they cannot see anything. It shows error or permission denied. So for giving the access to the data, you need to add them to the role. So currently you only have one role. So just now I told you that I just need to give you the simple one, right? The simple part, actually this is the part, because our other, like other customer, they have very complicated permission, like they give the permission by branch access, or like they have different outlets, so they have many roles. So many roles, each applet they have different data access. So that part is very complicated, but for your site you only have one role. So once you add the user to this role, then they can see all the data, all your, like, it's similar to currently that what you can access.
So it means now inside only have admin. So I can
Yeah.
add myself inside so that I can see everything lah.
Yeah.